What is good, guys? Welcome to another. Welcome to. I'm Kevin, bro. It's for my calf. I promise, bro. Look, it's for my calf tattoo. I promise. I had. But anyways, welcome to another trade recap video. We absolutely crushed it today. We hit all take profits on the S&P 500 and all take profits on Nasdaq. So yeah, let's with that being said, let's jump right into it. Per usual, all of these trades are taken live with the Discord, which is still on sale. Link is in the description if you want to take these trades live with me. But anyways, let's jump right into what I saw today. We'll start off with the S&P 500. So if we go on the daily time frame, we had a break of structure on the daily time frame, giving me pretty much a bearish bias on the daily. On the 4 hour, we were bearish as well. And on the hourly, we were actually bullish. If you see right here, we broke structure to the upside on the hourly, and hadn't broken structure to the downside until after this hourly candle right here, which formed during market open. So I was still, even though the hourly was bullish, I was still looking for shorts because the 4 hour and the daily were bearish. So with that being said, I marked out liquidity on the 1 hour time frame right here, liquidity all the way up here. And then we also had this 5-minute imbalance right above here that was kind of in line with this liquidity. From there, if we scale in, we can see that, boom, the S&P 500 broke structure to the downside. We never ended up breaking structure to the upside. We ended up just wicking this and coming down, forming this fair value gap here. And what I did honestly benefited me a lot for today's trade, where we saw two potential setups on the S&P and Nasdaq. So I said, hey, I'm going to wait for this fair value gap to get filled. We entered once it got filled and gave us a rejection right here. Stops were above these highs, and our take profits were based off of areas of liquidity and then like fair value gaps. But I said, hey, I'm going to enter in with half of what I want to risk for the day on this S&P 500 trade. So that's what I did. Entered in on that. Every take profit got hit. And then along with that, on Nasdaq, we saw an entry as well, where we ended up sweeping this liquidity right here. We ended up filling in this 5-minute fair value gap completely as well, similar to the S&P 500. We got a break of structure to the downside right here. Similar to the S&P, we got a break right here, but this fair value gap wasn't filled. We ended up breaking structure back to the upside. So I was like, hold on. In order for this to be valid for me, we are going to have to see a break of structure. So we didn't break structure with this candle. We ended up breaking structure right here. We see this imbalance. I really just wanted to wait for price to close under and out of this imbalance, and we got that with this candle. I entered off that, stops above these highs, and take profits. I don't know what this take profit was, but whatever. It ended up getting hit. I think it was supposed to be on these lows. But take profit 1 got hit, take profit 2 got hit, take profit 3, which was based off of these lows, got hit, take profit 4 got hit. And our actual final take profit, which like I didn't even bother to draw it all the way down to here because I didn't even think it would extend all the way down, ended up getting hit as well. And on the S&P, it looks like we're drawing towards that area as well. So yeah, on the Nasdaq, it was super similar, where we were bearish on the daily time frame, bearish on the 4 hour, and similarly, we were bullish on the hourly. As you can see, we broke structure to the upside on the hourly right here, and we're yet to break structure until actually the 2nd hour into market open. But again, I wasn't really looking too deep into the hourly time frame because we got the liquidity sweep, break of structure, and the daily and the 4 hour were bearish. So yeah, man, that kind of covers the trade recap for today. We freaking killed it. Got done with work early. It's a Friday. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my weekend. Oh, huge thing. Guys, I'm having a free trading webinar tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern time, okay? 6 p.m. Eastern time, we are having a free trading webinar. If you guys want to get active with that. Go in there, ask me any questions. Feel free to hop on in there. We've been freaking killing it this month, and my trading has been better than ever. So if that's like, maybe you guys want to ask me some questions about trading, maybe you guys have some personal questions that you guys want to ask, maybe you guys have questions on crypto, whatever. That's what the webinar is going to be there for. Going to be there to answer your guys' questions. So come on there at 6 p.m. Eastern time. And if you guys can't make it, that's okay. Or if you guys don't want to make it and you just want to watch the recording on YouTube, it will be uploaded on YouTube. So stay tuned for that. The recording will be posted live to the YouTube. It'll be a long ass video. And we'll honestly probably go over these trades one more time during that. And yeah, honestly, we are closing in on low-key one of my best trading months of the year, besides I would say the first month of the year, January, where I had literally an undefeated month. Didn't lose once that entire month. Won like 21 trades in a row. I have lost trades this month, but been freaking killing it. Up 200. I don't know if this thing will focus. It's not really focusing too well, but up 250 grand on the month, and I have already withdrawn 64.956 or $64,956 $1,000, which is awesome. So yeah, hopefully we can keep this up going into pretty much our last trading week next week of October, and then we'll see how November and December go to close out the year. But again, I appreciate you guys. I'm trying to give you guys as much free content as possible, so you guys can turn profitable, fucking make your fucking bread. And yeah, with that being said, I appreciate you guys. I will hopefully see you guys tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern time. If not, watch the webinar on YouTube. I'm sure I can't say it right now, but I'm sure a lot of great information will be talked about and spoken on during that webinar. So boom. With that being said, I will catch you guys tonight or tomorrow, whenever you guys see me again. Peace.